Hey folks, welcome to my next video. VanCampinWoody here with my little buddy Nebo. So today's moving day. We're leaving here in Ehrenberg on the BLM land and heading over to Quartzsite to the northeast side where the BLM land is out there. And we've been here our allotted time. It's time to move, and we're gonna move to follow the rules, move 25 miles away, and do it again at the next stop. So. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, all my heart, really do. Welcome to you new ones. And, hang in here, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. We'll catch y'all on the other side. Alright folks, here we get ready to take off. Here's Lane Will Travels, Phoenix. Steampunk bus. Got her little toad behind. Yeah, talking out in Chicago today on Channel 21 on Citizen Band Radio. We're going to ease through here. Ease on out and do the thing. Catch up with y'all over in Quartzsite. We're just kind of showing y'all how crowded it got after us being out here. Yep. And where we're going. Here we go. Alright folks, we have made it here to Quartzsite, topped off our fuel tank, and actually we're going to head east, a little bit further east, out of town, a little bit more quieter, and so bear with us, and once we get to camp, I'll let y'all know where we're at and what's going on. So appreciate y'all hanging in this far. Just a short drive from Ehrenberg over here to Quartzsite, and Lady Will Travel had to top off her water tank, and I had to top off my gas tank just to make sure I got enough. So I don't know if I'm gonna come back to Quartzsite after this. So I'm still thinking about I got to head back east here in a couple of weeks. So let's just see what happens. Bear with us. We'll catch you on the other side. All right, folks, we're getting back on Interstate 10 here. Seems like people are sick around here in Quartzsite. We're not going to stay. We're going to drive about another 80 miles over here to the little town Tonopah. So bear with us. Here we go. Hey folks, welcome to this side of the video. We are here at Saddle Mountain BLM, exit 94 off of Interstate 10 here in Tonopah, Arizona. This is 14 days. There's a little sign, you can see the little sign almost rusted out, but it says 14 days free stay here. And it's just a nice, quiet, and there's supposed to be pentagraphs around here too, but if I'm saying that right, I'm from the south, so rock art. Let's go with that. But this is also, if you're a rock hound, a lot of people out here, going through, picking up rocks and whatnot. It's not bad. We're about probably 6 miles away from the interstate, and you can see out in the distance, and you can see the Interstate 10 out there from where we're at, and then the Saddle Mountain behind us. I see things differently, I guess. My view, when I look at rock formations, I start seeing faces and heads, shapes, and stuff like that, and it was just too windy over there in Ehrenberg. It gusts, and the dust was flying and messed up my sinuses. And then when I get ready to go to Quartzsite, I heard a lot of people were sick around there, and so I didn't want nothing to do with that, and trying to stay, away from the sick crowd. So I followed ladies over here, Lainey and Lisa and Carrie. We all came over here, and it's just a nice little place to have a little, got fires. There are people out here. It's not as crowded and as packed as it is over in Ehrenberg and Quartzsite, so that's kind of the way I like it. Just small crowds. I'm good with that. And it's just overall, this is what I look for when I come out here. Nice big place. It is pack it in, pack it out. You build your own fire pit, but make sure you douse it out before you leave it, and you're gonna take your trash out of here, and then of course all your other stuff you need to take out of here. But that I'm gonna wrap it up right here. As far as the temperatures, it's been in the upper 30s, in the morning time, and a little chilly, getting up in the morning, but there's nothing like what they're having back east, and that's kind of why I made the decision to come out this way this year, dealing with the osteoarthritis and the cold weather to the bone. It's just, it's more bearable over here. It's a different kind of cold, and that's how me and Nebo does it. This is Nebo approved also, so nice temperatures of 60s, upper 60s, lower 70s in the daytime, and it hasn't. I don't recall it getting down below 37 degrees, overnight. So, I can handle that, and that's how we're going to do it. We'll probably be here for about a week, 2 weeks, and then we're going to head over towards Yuma. Just kind of, like I said, staying out away from the bigger crowds, and finding places that I've camped before, and you'll return places that I've camped before. So, so for now, y'all stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, treat one another like you want to be treated yourself. We'll catch you on the other side.